Welcome back, Tech Explorers. Today, we're diving into the latest from Honor, the Honor X60. Set to launch soon, this device promises some serious power and great value for the money. We're going to break down its specs and see if it's a worthy upgrade in the competitive mid-range market. So, let's get started. The Honor X60 is designed to impress, featuring a sleek and slim profile. At just 8 mm thick and 189 grams in weight, it's lightweight without feeling cheap. It's available in some stunning color options that are yet to be fully revealed, but expect a premium finish. The phone also comes with IP54 splash resistance, providing basic protection. Up front, the X60 is packing a 6.8-inch FHD Plus display with a 120Hz refresh rate. This ensures ultra-smooth scrolling and vivid visuals, whether you're gaming, watching content, or just browsing. Honor opted for a flat screen this time, unlike the curved display of its predecessor, making it more practical for everyday use. Powering the Honor X60 is the MediaTek Dimensity 7025 chipset, a solid mid-range performer. Combined with 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage, this phone is built to handle heavy multitasking, mobile gaming, and more with ease. It also supports virtual RAM expansion, adding an additional 12 GB of virtual memory for an even smoother experience when you're running multiple apps or high-end games. Let's talk about cameras. The Honor X60 boasts a powerful 108MP primary rear camera with an f1.75 aperture, ensuring you capture sharp and detailed images in various lighting conditions. While the secondary cameras haven't been confirmed yet, the main sensor promises to deliver excellent shots. On the front, you get an 8MP selfie camera, perfect for casual selfies and video calls. While it may not compete with flagship selfie cameras, it holds its own in the mid-range category. The Honor X60 comes with a 5800 mAh battery, offering all-day battery life with ease. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or just browsing, this phone will keep you going. Plus, with 35W fast charging, you can expect a 50% charge in just 30 minutes. Though it may not be the fastest charging in its category, it's reliable for a quick top-up before you head out. The phone runs macOS 8 based on Android 14, offering all the latest software features and optimizations. It's a clean and customizable interface with plenty of options to personalize your phone to your liking. With a premium design, solid performance, and a versatile camera setup, the Honor X60 is shaping up to be a strong contender in the mid-range space. The price is still under wraps, but judging by its predecessor, we can expect it to be competitively priced. Keep an eye out for the official launch on 16th October to get all the final details. Would you pick up the Honor X60? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more tech reviews and news here on Tech Explorer. Thanks for watching.